How to sign up for NFL Sunday Ticket Student Plan. To sign up for NFL Sunday Ticket Student Plan, you first need to know that the student discount drops the price to $109 for the season, with the option to add NFL Red Zone for an additional $10. This offer is available for students who are 18 or older, currently enrolled in an accredited college or university, and can be verified through Share ID. To begin the sign up process, go to the official NFL YouTube channel by searching NFL on YouTube or visiting youtube.com/NFL. Make sure you're signed into your YouTube account. Next to the subscribe button, click on the Get NFL Sunday Ticket option. A pop-up will appear showing all available purchasing methods. Scroll down until you see the button that says eligible students can sign up with a student plan. If you're signing up in late August or early September, the button may not appear yet, but it becomes visible once the start of the season. Click the button to continue. You'll be redirected to Share ID, where you must verify your student status. Fill out the required information and select Verify My Student Status. Once verification is successful, you can choose the Student NFL Sunday Ticket plan you want, including whether to add Red Zone. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.